The blue liner was installed in 2014 and started to tear. It was time to replace it before it tore all the way and caused flood. We are loosening all the clamps that hold the liner in place. Now that it is all loose, time to cut and remove old rubber liner. There was a connecting flange that took us a bit to get loose from the tank. Got it loose and time to remove it as we won't need the old flange for the new liner. Now let's bring in the new liner and get it set in and all lined up. This liner was super thick and really heavy and tough to work with, but for our application, that's a good thing. Now that we have new flange in place and all tightened up, time to start hanging the liner. This room is about 65 feet under Dallas and it's hot and humid. Time to let some water in so it can push the liner in place so we can start tightening up. All edge claps to hold liner in place.